Hello, everybody, and welcome again to my YouTube channel, May Fine Art. And today's episode, I'll be showing to you a painting, how I paint this oil paint, and the title is Exhausted Women. And I also want to share to you guys this blog, why I paint this painting, and I want to give to you what is the things that I'm recently experiencing in my life. So I am trying to paint this, guys, as a way to express what I feel inside myself, what am I experiencing, or where I am now at the period of my life. So I was just trying to reflect, like, I am now at a period of my life where sometimes I feel also really exhausted, and I can also see that in my other women friends. So I was just thinking, like, I want to paint something that is for women, and I painted this artwork few weeks after the celebration of International Women's Day, that I said I want to have some painting that is also like a tribute to all those women who also experience the same feeling that I have, that there are times that I feel really exhausted, and I am asking why are women so exhausted nowadays? Like, we women have to juggle many roles and psychological responsibility. If you are a mom or if you have a career, it would not be so easy. Like, we are living in a modern day, but some things are still a struggle, right? And honestly, sometimes we don't have the psychosocial supports, or there is a lack of psychosocial supports that give us, like, we just have to go on to the routine to accept the roles, but deep inside us we are exhausted indeed. So I believe that it's not there are countries that they're living more relaxed compared to some other countries or some cultures, but in general I just observe this, that women are more and more exhausted. I want to share that our hard-won battles earned us the freedom to pursue, like, whatever interests and careers we wanted, more or less. We're living in the time where we are educated and we need to pursue careers, but at the same time we have roles to do in our life, and that means more extra effort to do. But that, together with the increase, like, socioeconomic pressures weighing upon the lower and middle classes, not only in Western countries, guys, but also in other parts of the world. And these have led to what we all know by now: doing it all is too much, right? Motherhood is often underestimated and undervalued as a full-time job. When I was young, there are times that I was looking to some of the mothers, and I don't really realize how serious or intense or, yeah, difficult the responsibility to be a mom and to be a wife, or that role itself. And, like, knowing that, for example, here, knowing that it's just too expensive to have a nanny or a helper. And comparing it to where I come from, the Philippines, it's kind of easy because it's more affordable. So now that I am a mom, I just realize it's just really difficult to combine all the your career and then motherhood. So it's not really easy, guys. That's how I feel, and sometimes I just feel exhausted. And I was just reflecting in some simple things in my life that would refresh me in order for me to go back again my old self before I will be, sad and depressed. I don't want to get into that situation, guys, but sometimes I was really thinking that sometimes you need to prioritize what is important in your life, and you need to balance things and to give time for yourself to reevaluate everything that is happening to you or to your own personal life, what really matters. And you would realize that what makes you happy is the most important or most rewarding thing that you can give to yourself. Indeed, sometimes before that I'm not yet a mom, I underestimated that being a mom, it would be like just, will go on naturally, but it is a hard work. And I realized that I love to be a mom. At the same time, you need to have the full energy to focus for your kids, for your roles in the house and this. And indeed, sometimes, or there are times that it's really draining. For example, guys, when coupled with an additional full-time job in the workplace, whether by choice or necessity, working motherhood is overwhelming for anyone. Indeed, I was having a full-time job before, and just having one child is already exhausting. Now that I have a second child, I decided to have a half-time job just to be, try to balance everything. And even without children, guys, women take on many additional caretaking roles without even realizing it, for their family, their spouses, their friends, their co-workers, or their clients. We women, we have this natural tendency to care, just to care, meaning you just want to extend your compassion, your being helpful to other people. And sometimes you don't realize that it's already like too much. Even caring for sick loved ones, that can also very exhausting if it's already constant and you don't have rest from it from time to time, or you cannot even take vacation. So guys, this painting that I am currently making, it's just a period of my life right now, or this is for all the women that are also having the same issues or the same struggles like me. And I hope that you are all doing, some hanging on there. I hope that you will give some time for yourself to relax. It's not wrong. I truly believe that we women deserves to have some time for ourselves just to relax and set some boundaries to say no if it's too much, because our physical, our mental health is priority, guys. If it's not okay, then you need to take a step back and rethink what is the most important in your life. So guys, this painting I dedicate to all of my fellow women out there, and I hope that in spite of all the difficulties that you're experiencing now, please find some way to release or to do some things that would definitely make you more relaxed. And indeed, it's a difficult time. Modern time is not only a fast, busy lifestyle, but indeed you need to have some time for yourself, to take some time for a vacation, or just simple things that is not really costly. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to this blog, and I hope and pray that this would encourage my fellow other women who have the same situation or who are also like going to that direction to have still a happy life full of full of vibrance, inspiration, positivity to go on. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope and pray that everything will be okay. And if you love or you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel, May Fine Art. And if you're interested to have some commission painting, I'm also accepting. So just drop a comment here or message me in my Facebook account, May Tabalon Fine Art. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye!